Okay, so if you've made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I did go in and bleach the knots on this wig, and that was pretty much it, you guys. I always leave my video on how it is that I pluck my lace in my description box, so I'll go ahead and pop that down there. How I do my closures and frontals, it's pretty much the same exact method, so the video link takes you to a closure, but like I said, I do the same exact thing for a frontal. The only thing you want to be careful of is not to pluck too close here to the parting area. So if you guys want to see how it is that I pluck my lace to get it to look like this, I'll go ahead and leave that video link down below. Aside from that, this is curly hair, so of course you can expect to get a little bit of shedding with the hair and all that stuff. That is completely normal, and no tangling. If I do get any tangling with this wig, not that I'm saying that it is going to tangle, I would probably be expecting it to be back here in the nape area, because that's where hair tends to tangle. But you can just run your fingers through it or brush through it and it'll come out. It's not going to mat up, it just might have a slight tangle back there, just because, you know, the friction from it rubbing against your neck and your clothes and all that stuff. So if that happens, like I said, I'm not expecting it to happen, but I won't be surprised if it does. But it's not that big of a deal. You should be able to just run your fingers through it. So when you are detangling your wig, depending on if you do it on your hair and off your hair, just make sure you really like hit that area back there and you should be good. Another glueless install, you guys. You guys already know I use nothing but my Bold Hold liquid gold. This product is absolutely amazing. It never fails me. I'll use glue every blue moon, honestly, not too often. 9 times out of 10, this is always the product that I'm using. It's not sponsored. This video is not sponsored at all. So these are just my honest thoughts and opinions on everything that I'm showing you guys. If you have any questions, you guys already know, you guys can leave them down below in the comment section. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are not already subscribed to my channel, hopefully you stick around and hit that subscribe button and check out some of my other videos while you're at it. Of course, the description box will be loaded with all the information that you guys need. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.